Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Smartsheet data sharing controls, detailed guide step by step clearly. To enable Smartsheet data sharing controls, start by logging into your Smartsheet account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard or sheet you wish to manage. Click on the Share button located in the top right corner of the interface. In the sharing settings, you will see a list of users currently shared with the sheet. To adjust their permissions, click on the user's name or email address. A drop-down menu will appear, allowing you to change their access level. Choose from options like Viewer, Editor, or Admin based on the level of control you want to grant. If needed, add new users by entering their email addresses in the appropriate field. Be sure to select their access level before sending the invitation. For additional data sharing controls, click on the Sharing Permissions tab. Here, you can set restrictions on what users can do with shared data. Consider options like disabling the ability to copy or download attachments. If you want to prevent users from sharing the sheet with others, toggle that setting to off. Once you've configured the sharing settings to your preference, click Save to apply the changes. You can also review access logs from the Activity tab to monitor user engagement. To finalize, confirm that all changes reflect your intended sharing controls. Your Smartsheet data sharing controls are now successfully enabled. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.